we burning it up. Step in the building, we turning it up. Talking that shit, but they never admit when I sit to the mic, I be murdering it and we living real good. Mainstream, but it's
early in the morning, 4:28. I'm about to go to the school. Vlog number 2, man. About to get in the van. I'm gonna go to Knockout. I'll see y'all later.
And then she got the ones that go like
the big ones or the tiny ones?
The tiny ones. They don't take that one.
Look at the thing. They keep all the way on. No, that's not what I mean. Like the dial's going all the way to the dark.
Toodaloo.
Yeah, that thing, my father. Oh, my arm is down here.
Lucas,
Because I remember like
say what's up.
30 minutes off my
Say what's up.
really
Huh?
I didn't know it was so wet.
Tell ladies to say what's up.
I said, I didn't know your hair was like you had so much like second fingers.
She dark. Can't see nothing. I'll meet them later. I'm too
like down
tired.
here or like real here?
We go off the van. Y'all didn't hear what I was saying earlier. This vlog number 2. At the track meet today. That's what we doing. We in New York with it. We got a long walk. It's mad cold out here, dog. I got some of my sleep, dog. On that long behind ride, it's like, what time is it? Hold up. 7:51 now. We almost at the place. Today about to be fun, I mean.
We about to be on the campus today.
Yeah. Test his camera skills.
Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah. It's really cold.
We forgot our coats and he was going to warm because back in Delaware it was warm for a few days.
But man, it's whatever.
I think up there now.
It's whatever, dog.
We're out here stabbed.
I remember one of y'all requested that y'all wanted to see a vlog for like a day in the life of a track athlete. So I was like, alright, might as well do it. And of course I picked the coldest day.
Boys don't got no gloves, holding a pen.
It's crazy. But hey, that's how it is.
I was like,
This is where we at.
Like I got into
Everybody
like,
was running.
and I'm like, oh, here we go. Like, okay.
Since we talking right now, let's meet Lucas. Introduce yourself, Lucas.
African legend. I don't know what part of Africa you're from though.
Oh, no,
Have you seen Black Panther?
no, I haven't seen it yet.
That joint's crazy, bro.
It's
Bro,
not
you
crazy.
going for a sweep?
Is that good?
Yeah, bro.
I'm going for a sweep.
You going for a sweep?
He said he gonna go to sleep during Black Panther?
No, he's going for a sweep in all his events, bro.
Repeat.
Yeah. He run 2,
Did you ever run 100
the
meters?
4, and what's the other one? In the 55.
On those?
Sweep.
Alex was acting up.
Yeah, me too. Talk
You
to
know,
him.
tell him, talk to him. Talk to him.
Talk to him.
He said it's a flu game for him. Me?
Yeah, bro, here.
What am I doing for him?
Yeah, bro. What you doing for him today, bro? Day in the life of Nelly. You know what I mean?
I'm about to.
Ooh, who cooking fried chicken?
Nah, that joint do smell real good.
Who cooking that?
About to get a dub and everything.
Yeah, me. We out here. Ooh.
See that joint?
No. Hold on.
Okay. It's John Valley. This shit on tough. Oh, snap.
Nicest track ever been to.
This shit on Valley. This joint different. About to be on there. Free National Invitational, you know. Naja. Oh, Patricia. My fault. Christopher. Why you look hurt, bro? Bro, you look hurt. Say what's up to the camera, Patricia. Why are you so scared?
I was asleep.
I was asleep too. I still gotta record.
Okay, but I didn't get to wash my
Tell YouTube what event you do.
Today, can we get ourselves together? I eat.
Nope.
I know. I didn't get to wash my
Did you say you eat?
I didn't get to wash my face because my alarm didn't go off.
Oh yeah, you was late, wasn't you?
He said, what the hell are you doing?
I'm weak.
He's making this movie.
Let's go.
Are you YouTubers?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Meet the track team, you feel me? Nah, just say something. She's so ignorant.
Bro, I'm going. Wait, y'all, stop doing it.
Janelle, where we
I'm showing
going?
them the track downstairs. The world track. You're not hot? Oh my gosh, look.
Twins. Janelle, what event you do?
55, 2, 4x2.
Najee?
I look horrible. You gotta edit me. 55, 200, 4x2.
Oh, you're lit. Oh yeah, slaves.
Like
My
this.
kids.
Y'all can put your shoes on down there. Oh, you got that nice haircut.
Najee, you want to tell them what event you
Why
do?
don't you drive?
You're so mean.
Why
For
don't you
why?
drive? It's weird.
It was different out here. Going to the stairway. What you say? Oh my God, yeah. You gotta bring him in. Bring him in. Yeah.
Stop playing, let's go. Are y'all putting your shoes on?
No, we're not warming up. She was just showing us where we're going.
Wait, but when does it meet? Wait, is this the track?
Come on now.
I'm not sure. I think it's at maybe 9 or 8.
Why you always eating something?
I'm a human, and I
Because you're fat? And you're fat?
Where's the bathroom at? Oh, please.
When they call for your event, you go there.
Oh, it's right there.
Run up.
Oh, that's dope.
When is on your mark?
Show him something. Show him something. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey YouTube, I'm gonna wash my face. Thank you.
I just watched it.
Team Fat John.
She's a tribal girl.
She hype. Got new hair.
Tutorial. I'm about to be a YouTuber too.
Yeah, sure. Everybody want to be a YouTube because of who? Nelly. You ain't talking that book. Just saying. I'm just saying. Fuck cheaper than that praise that lot. You're Joe. You're Mad Joe. Team Clown. Uzi. Okay. Well. What are you doing? I seen you. You're not slick. You're not slick. On Snapchat with that one filter.
Huh?
You had the one filter. About to take a little picture.
I was gonna take a picture.
Shut up. You lying.
I'm lying.
You are.
No.
What are you lying for? That's not nice.
Hold on, I got my picture. I'm gonna take it.
Okay. What you gonna put in the camera?
Yeah.
Ooh. Huh? Okay. Mom coach. Huh? Get like Nelly. GETLIKE.NELLY. Huh? This one. And give her a pet turtle.
Yeah, get my turtle too.
This channel hates turtles. No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. We don't have no animal violence around here. What'd you say? About to go check here, you feel me? Triple drop spikes. Legendary.
Hey, bro, show him the head real quick.
What are you doing? Why did she try to? She just asked me if she wanted to crack my thumb. Yo, Janelle, your butt stink.
My what?
Your butt stink.
Your arm stink.
Probably. She's so angry. Naja.
Right here? I know. It does that.
Yo, y'all need all the behind the scenes. Add me on Snap.
You're messing up.
I know it's like a vlog. It's supposed to be behind the scenes, but the behind the scenes is on Snapchat.
Tribal.
Add me on Snap.
Tribal.
GETLIKENE. Be like, get it where you at. Cam sells and meatballs. Y'all. Shout out to Brian for that.
Getting ball.
Let's get it all the way through, son. Let's go.
People say I should do my eyebrows.
I should touch it.
Twin, yeah.
Let's go, son.
What are you recording? Anything?
This is for YouTube. He's vlogging.
Oh, it really is. How do you
Like that.
I gotta lick my lips first, so then I can.
Ew.
Now you having fun.
What is in my book bag? Naja, what is wrong with you?
Somebody get their slave trying to give away their orange peels. That's her jacket.
Why my jacket?
Let's go phone.
Boys and girls, 4x200 meter relay session. To go.
You mean?
You don't have a mark, you gotta eyeball it and center step.
We out here?
I got it, because the first person is not here. And I put you. I got it.
Warming up a little bit. You called me laughing.
Not too late now, save it. They can take this dog on headband off right now.
Wait.
Alright. All up on this nigga ears.
No, I'm trying to get this nigga to look.
Repeat. Repeat.
Three peak. Oh, peak. Oh, okay.
Who is that?
Who?
Delicious.
Oh, that be me.
Yeah.
Three-peat today. Three-peat. Already got my first one.
Let's find this little guy. What's the name? Nelly.
11 and 12-year-old boys soccer. 10-10.
You're right, bro. What you about to do? What did you say earlier?
667.
I thought it was 3-3. I thought it was 3-peat, bro. Oh, we about to get busy. Najee about to get crazy with it. Alright.
Just got done running, doing my events, got first in my triple jump, fourth in the 55. And if y'all wondering why my lips are so lost in
What you did?
In what? No mark.
Huh?
No mark.
No more what?
No mark.
Mark. He doesn't.
I didn't have them in my steps. I started. Still one.
Well, one.
Huh? I know. But yeah, if y'all wondering why my lips so glossy, my lips was mad dry, so I had to let you know, man. Catch you up.
Nelly, how'd you triple jump so well without marks?
It's just a lifestyle. I'm just a
What's your take on that 55?
Man, the man took mad long.
You was ready to just get it over with?
I was trying to get it over with, but
You know what time you ran? Like a high 7 or I mean,
that joint was trash. The times are up. Ain't no way Lucas ran a 6'9".
Who ran a 6'9"?
Lucas.
That's bad.
Ain't no way. The times are up. But yeah, you know me, just a stellar athlete, so I'm always gonna have.
Howard, he coming.
I'm coming.
Lucas, how was your races, man?
Huh?
How was your 55?
Wasting my time.
Wasting your time? Why they try to say you ran at 6, man? 6'9".
If the gunman didn't take, I don't know, 9 to 10 business days to call a gun, man, I would have dropped like a 6'7", you know, but you know.
You was counting down in your head?
Usually it's like 4 or 5 seconds, then they let the gun go. I got to 8, nigga was still.
Interview. How does it feel to win your heat?
You mean?
Booty blasted all of them. How does it feel?
Pre-match drink.
Talking to the microphone.
It feels great.
Oh, I like that.
You feeling good? I already knew.
No, you didn't. How does it feel to win a comeback win like that? You're the GOAT. I wanted to let you know. Man, real athletes, after you get done, you go to sleep.
I mean, update on the vlog, man. So, bro, how's the vlog? Bro, how's the vlog going, bro? How's the vlog going, bro?
That like my Jesus bread.
Oh, that's that good bread. I like that bread. I get it from Sam's.
Yeah.
Just got finished, man. I'm gonna get 2 events because I hurt my heel, but you know, we about to be out, about to go get something to eat. I'll see y'all. Me in a van with it. This was ugly. Yeah, slave. Coach mom.
Wait, no.
Coach DeVito.
This goes over top.
You know me.
Successful me, man.
You know me.
Wait, hold on.
Exactly.
2 for 2, baby. Man, we about to go in this rest stop.
I guess what?
We going home. Hit y'all when I'm back in Delhi.
Yes.
Finally made it home. The ones that still in this show, watch till the very end. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm about to finish editing the John last night. And then chill out. Ellie. Oh.